Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Dreams don't work unless you do. Stay focused, go after your dreams, and keep moving toward your goals. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Challenges are what make life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. The harder you work, the luckier you get. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. The expert in anything was once a beginner. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Success is not in what you have, but who you are. Great things never come from comfort zones. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Dream big and dare to fail. Your education is a dress rehearsal for a life that is yours to lead. Success is the byproduct of hard work and perseverance. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Be so good they can't ignore you. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Success is not just about making money. It's about making a difference. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Success is not for the chosen few, but for the few who choose it. You are capable of more than you know. The only way to do great work is to love what you do.